Hello friends, I am Jeyan. This is our channel Jeyan Social. Today we are going to see about cyber insurance policy. What is cyber insurance policy? Why we need cyber insurance policy? What are the general drawbacks in Indian cyber insurance policy? And what are the institutional setup in India as well as in the global level in order to protect cyber attacks? All the things we are going to reveal in this video one by one. Cyber insurance policy is mainly focused on to transfer risk. For instance, if any cyber attacks that happen in our smart devices, either in smartphone or any computer devices, when it got attacked and also it harm our personal data or financial losses, it may induce us to us, that will be compensated by the company where we have the cyber insurance policy for the system. For instance, suppose a head of the family is the only person generating income for the family, but if he had accident covered insurance policy, then in case if he died because of accident, then immediate financial burden of the family is managed by the policy cover he had taken. So the expenses will be, at least at the beginning stage, will be managed, and later it will be planned accordingly to the family members. Similarly, for a cybersecurity policyholder, the policy will cover financial theft through online and data theft, then identity theft, then social media details theft, or data breach or information breach or any security breach, that will be covered this kind of cyber security policies. And also these policyholders can manage the immediate financial losses which is happened because of cyber attack through these policies. As we all know, the online hackers or cyber attack criminals try to take our very sensitive data, for instance personal or financial data, through online to make financial losses or exploit our personal identity with the help of cyber attacking tools such as malware, spyware, cyber talking, or phishing, or otherwise using some viruses also to damage our system. Let me have a common understanding about some of the cyber attacking tools used by the cyber attackers. For instance, malware, which may be either installed in your smart device without your knowledge, or they may send you vulnerable link. When you click on the link, it will be automatically installed in your device. So the purpose of the malware is to do some kind of task, like either to damage your smartphone or smart devices, or to alter your information or delete information, or taking copy of some kind of information. This kind of task will be reached through that malware. Then the spyware. It is also either installed in your smart device without your knowledge, or they may send you a vulnerable link you will install without knowing yourself. So through that malware, they will monitor you, every activities of you are doing in your smart device, either computer or smartphone, like watching you through camera. Then the next one is online phishing. Here the cyber attackers send you a very vulnerable attractive link, for instance through photographic image or video clip. When you click on that, you will let yourself to get into that trap unknowingly. Then the next one is cyber stalking. Here the cyber attackers follow you through internet. Then virus, and the list will go on. The viruses mostly specifically designed to particular smart device, for instance computer or smartphone, and also they are operating system specific, because these viruses mostly operate through this operating system, since we also use all other softwares through that operating system. As we all know, the cyber attack is not only happen between two computers, it can also happen and hamper a huge computer network, where the active computers which are connected in the network will be damaged, and it will give huge financial losses to the companies. The cyber attack also happen among different countries in international level. So it is an international threat to all countries. Recently, IRDAI, that is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, formed a committee on October 2020 under the leadership of P Umesh. The committee submitted its report in recent time. It has recommended cyber insurance policy. The committee also reported that there are 700 million Indian users are using internet. It is just second to China at the global level. Now the internet connectivity also increasing in cities as well as villages, and also we are moving towards from 4G to 5G. The speed of 5G internet is expected to increase 10 to 20 times compared to 4G networks. So the cyber threat also increases much faster. The standardization of cyber insurance policy is a welcome step. At the same time, it should not hamper the innovation in cyber security tools as well as cyber security policies, because internet is like a big ocean and borderless. As we develop new cyber security tools, the attack on our critical data centers also happen in innovative ways by the cyber criminals. So we must forecast the future attack. Based on that, our policies need to be done. ASSOCHAM 2019 report says India got second place at the global level in the number of cyber attacks happened between 2016 and 2018. So it shows the vulnerability in our cyber networks. And also the policies, though we have n number regarding to cyber insurance, but there are common drawbacks in those policies. For instance, a cyber insurance policyholder in India can file FIR in police station if the system attacked by the cyber criminals, if the loss or damage is more than 5,000, and also the damages done at the software level will be only claimed, but the hardware level, even though it is damaged due to the software, also cannot be covered in this policy. Now let me look into the important administrative setup in India to control the cyber security. The first one is NCCC, which means National Cyber Security Coordination Center. The focus of this center is to scan the online traffic, because in internet many data are flooded to India from foreign countries. So at basic level, these data are scanned to check any security vulnerabilities. The next one is CERT-IN, Cyber Security Response Team in India. The main focus of this team is to respond immediately if any cyber security happen in India. Then the next one is Cyber Security Swachhta Kendra, which provide online cyber security tools such as like antiviruses when our system or any smartphone attacked by the viruses, that can be cleared by using their tools. India's Information Technology Act 2010, which regulates online users and information. At international level, International Telecommunication Union, which standardize and develop telecommunication network and also deal with cybercrimes. Then the Budapest Convention, which is a multinational convention where it also control the online cybercrimes, but India is not a signatory till now. Then finally, Internet Governance Forum, which provide platform for individual, private organizations, public organizations and many countries to have a debate over cybersecurity and cybercrimes. Now there are many number of cybersecurity products are popping up. For instance, there are many antivirus products are coming to the market. Do you think that the companies, few of them particularly, developing antiviruses also spreading the viruses which attacks the smart devices, particularly the smartphone or the computer, to promote their businesses, or it is entirely done by the cyber criminals, for instance hackers or cyber security attackers? What do you think about this? Give your opinion in the comment section. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.